Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Keep turning in those practice 2-point perspective boxes. What I've been getting in are awesome and really well crafted, so good job. I'm going to introduce your newest project right now and give you some tasks to take care of, and those tasks will be due on Monday. So if you got a few days to figure it out, watch the video, try things, erase things, try it again. So anyway, I miss you guys. I hope you're doing okay, and let's get started. So here we go. Hold on. All right. So we are going to be drawing a 2-point perspective street corner. So let me make this all a street corner right here. Okay. So what you can see is that we have sidewalk kind of coming at us as if we were standing on the sidewalk, and some buildings going down two different streets on a city block. So you're going to be creating sidewalk, building structures, basically what you see here. So I'm going to get started to make this as quick as possible. Okay, so you're going to need your straight edge. So I'm just using my folded piece of paper, and then we'll go from there. So what you're going to do in your paper, make sure you're horizontally justified. You're going to make a horizon line, not in the halfway point of your paper, but you're going to want to make it maybe 2/3 down. Okay, so nice and light, you're going to go ahead and make a horizon line. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make your 2 vanishing points not quite at the edge. Give yourself about a ½ inch or so on the inside on either side. And then to get started, we're going to start with our first building. So to do that, kind of right in the middle of your page, you're going to make your first building structure nice and straight. So you want, is that straight? That's not straight. You're going to want that line, that vertical line for your first building structure to be, most of it is going to exist on the top of the line. I have about 1.5 inches on the top part of my paper, and then at the bottom part of my paper I have about 2 inches of dead space. Okay, right there. All right, so then from the top and bottom of this vertical line, you're going to be making your angled lines, your orthogonal lines. So boom, go to the other, make sure you're centered on that X, and then up over here, and then over to the other side. Okay, so this is going to be the front corner of our first building, and then we're going to be making now area for a sidewalk. So what you're going to do is put your straight edge on the center of your X and kind of swing it out. And I have about 1.5 inches, roughly 2 inches between my building corner and my straight edge. And this is going to be the beginning of my sidewalk, and I'm just going to follow that line all the way down. Let me just all the way down to the bottom of the page. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just hold my straight edge right on the center of my X and follow my straight edge right straight down. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of erasing. We're going to get rid of the horizon line on the inside of this first building structure. Okay, all right, so now we're going to start making the sidewalk. So sidewalk is easy. All you have to do, because we're making kind of lines that are the different sidewalk slabs, essentially these lines get aimed towards this other vanishing point. So super easy. So what I like to do to start is just reline up the bottom of my building right here, and I just sort of make sure it's all lined up and extend this line out to that other side. And then what I'm going to do at this point is kind of flip over, make sure it's aligned on this right vanishing point, and then between my building bottom and my sidewalk edge, I'm going to make another line. And just keep on shifting it up, each time making the space a little bit smaller, a little bit tighter, because this stuff is going away from you. You need to make it look like it's getting further and further back. Again, make sure you reline up your straight edge so it doesn't get crooked. So every time you're going to go up reshift it, bada bing, ta-da. So there's one. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So again, extend it out, go to the other side, and we're gonna make, our next step is to make the sidewalk look like it has a thickness, like you could step up onto it. So again, I'm just going back, relining everything, making sure it's all angled in the correct direction. And so you're going to be reminded from a lot of the techniques that you did in your practice, like the crisscross to go to the other side, to do tops and bottoms. Essentially, we're making really low cubes here. So to make the sidewalk slab, you're just going to, again, line it up with that back X. You want to kind of make a skinny space. Follow it. Do the same thing on the other side, skinny space. That's about the same thickness. Okay? And then all you're going to do is drop down straight. Really straight. Just as straight as the side of your paper is. You want to make sure it stays really nice and parallel. Every time you have one of those horizontal, flat lines for the sidewalk, you're just going to drop straight down so it looks like you can step up. Okay? So I'm just freehanding these. If you want to use your ruler, that's fine. Just make sure it's really vertical. All right, so then we're going to make the side of our building. So we're just going to come away at a certain distance, at a certain thickness. You're going to go ahead and make sure you have a nice vertical parallel edge. And cut it off. Same thing here. And you can make one side longer, one side shorter. Okay, there's that. Get rid of your extra orthogonal line. And now I'm going to show you, see, there's your first building structure. Now I'm going to show you how to make an alleyway on this side. So all you do, it's like starting a whole new box again. You just come away, leave a space. Yeah, it needs to get straighter. There we go. Okay, leave a space. You're going to come straight up. All right, and then from the top of that line, you're going to go down to the right vanishing point. When you hit something else, the rule is you S-T-O-P, stop, okay? From the top of this line, you're going to come down all the way. It's going to be a really steep pitch. And now we already have essentially the bottom part done, coming up. Now we just have this little space to make the alleyway. So you're just going to go from the bottom of the line, angle it towards your other vanishing point. So from this bottom corner here, angle it up, and then stop when you hit something else. I'm going to cut off just one side of my building so it looks like a tall structure. I'm going to get rid of the rest of my orthogonal. All right, and then to make it look like it's kind of shadowy and alley-like, I'm just going to do a little bit of shading, kind of really dark, gradually getting light, a little bit of darkness, gradually getting lighter, so it kind of pops out. All right, isn't that magic? All right, so we're going to make another building that is attached. And to make it attached, all you do is you go from the existing line from the back edge, extend it up, and then you just go from the top of that vertical, you go down to your vanishing point, and then down to your vanishing point. Again, whenever you hit something, the rule is you stop. All right, and then I'm just going to cut off. I'm going to look at my thickness for my building right there. That looks nice. Make sure it's nice and straight. Looks pretty good. Get rid of my excess. All right, and then I'm going to make one more alley kind of far away. So I'm going to make a skinny space because it's really in the distance. I'm going to come straight up. All right, go from the top of that vertical. I'm going to draw an angled line. Whenever I hit something, I stop. Now this is going to be a really steep pitch, but that's okay. It's going to make sense when it's all done. Go straight down. I'm going to cut it off with nice and vertical. Two very vertical edges parallel with each other. Okay, you're gonna get rid of the rest of your orthogonal, and then from the bottom of this line right here, I'm gonna angle to my vanishing point over here. So I'm going to go from the bottom corner, angle it up, and come right over. All right, and again, you can do a little bit of shading, so it looks like it's kind of shadowy and in the distance. Okay, so, and then I'm going to show you one more, and then I think we're going to stop with this one. We're going to show a building that's far away in the distance. So we're just going to do one little vertical, stop when you hit something else. From the top of that vertical, you want to go down a little bit, and I'm going like an inch or so. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Angle it to my other vanishing point. Make them short, because you want to make this building look like it's tall but far away. So I'm just going to do something like that, and so you kind of have a skyscraper that's far away. Okay, so for your assignment, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buildings. Oh, here you go. All right. 5 major structures. You're going to have a sidewalk on both sides. You're going to have a space for a street, but we didn't do street lines yet. But you're going to end up having a space for a street. Hold on, Nor. You're going to have 2 alleyways. And that's going to be due on Monday, all right? So submit it on Monday, and then I'll show you all how to do street stuff, and we'll do windows and doors, okay? You want to come in the movie? Okay. So, Nora, why don't you say bye to everybody? Okay. Hold on, let me turn it around. You can say, okay, look at the circle, honey. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Look up right there. Nora, look up. You got to look up right there at the circle. Say, do your work.
Do you?
All right. Okay. So, no, we're done because they got to do their work. 5 major structures: sidewalk on both sides, street, a space for a street, 2 alleyways, and that's due Monday on the 30th. All right. Happy drawing. Give me a shout if you need any help.
Can I say bye?
Okay, we're gonna say bye together. Give me a shout if you need help, guys. We can do a Google Meet. All right. Take care. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.